video blog because I want to show you how this Evernote works. I just love it. It's available as a device, and I knew this would happen. I got a little notice on my phone, but it's available as an app on your phone, and of course I'm a big Palm aficionado, but see, I have it right there on my phone. And it's also on your computer, and it hot syncs all the way around. It's an application that you can use to keep notes, and so I'm going to open it up for you real quickly, show you. See, it's loading, and it's picking up my notes from the cloud, which is great because I can make notes on my computer and I can also make them here. So it gives me a list of all of my little notes that I've made of I don't know if you can see it, but see, it's got all these little separate boxes, and those represent different notes I've made. You can categorize the notes. You can do whatever you want. And of course, classically, you're probably thinking, okay, I'll type the note. And that's true. That is one thing that you can do with it. But the other thing that I love about this is that it has a web clipping option. So here I clipped a web page. Maybe it'll come up, but it's a confirmation for a reservation I made for a family reunion that's going to be a year and a half from now. So it's on there. In addition, you know, I can make my own list, but I can do something really cool. I can take pictures and put them into Evernote. So how does that work? Well, the fun thing about that is that if I take the picture of a postcard or something that gives me information about an event I want to go to, I can do two things. I can type in information there, and then also I have the picture of the card, which gives me the gory details of the event. You know, and that's better than having to type the whole thing up. Now, I wanted to show you, too, what it looks like on my computer, which is a little bit of a challenge, but you can see I have all the notes here, and here's like menu suggestions, and here's all my little notes. So that's a really cool thing. The other thing is that when you're searching for something on the internet, there's an application right here in the little corner. I hope I got a good picture of that, that shows the little elephant, and what you can do is, you're on a web page that you really like, you can click web, the little elephant, and it will take that web page and make it a note and put it right into your Evernote. Now, if you have voice software, there's also that applicability. And there's this little thing called the trunk. I highly recommend that you get into the trunk, because the trunk gives you all kinds of new options, most of which are free, but some, there's a small fee. Might be worth it. And one of the things, and unfortunately my computer's going slow, but see, here's Welcome to Evernote, and it shows all these different applications. It shows different mobile applications, desktop applications, and the very fun thing that it does is it gets you access to different notebooks. And here's a notebook of Epicurious. Here's Ron's Evernote tips. I highly, highly recommend the Ron's Evernote tips, because you can't even imagine how much information, how creative you can be with getting Evernotes working for you in the way that's best for you. In fact, because of Ron's tips, that's when I figured out, oh, if you see something, like, take a picture of it and put it into the Evernote. And then you have it with you. If you're trying to look at furniture, for example, you could go take pictures of different furniture, make a little note, found this at Penny's, found this at Sears, whatever. And then you'll have those little notes, and you can put them into a category, and then you'll have it forever. Evernote is free as a basic Evernote. All the things I've described to you are part of the free version. Then you can update to the premium version, which gives you more space, more usage capabilities, and more interesting ways to use the technology, including the voice, being able to record onto your Evernote. And the premium is only $45 a year. So it's really not bad. I personally have not upgraded to premium, but I know people who have, and they use it and they love it. So I hope this has been helpful. I decided, instead of typing up a blog today, that I would do this video blog so that you could see this demonstration. So download it, Evernote. Put it on your phone, put it on your laptop or your computer, and see how it works and integrate. And trust me, I have a Palm, and there was an app for it for the Palm. I'm pretty sure there's probably one for the iPhone or the iPad. So try Evernote. You'll love it. It's just an amazing little device, or amazing little software application, rather. Okay, that's it for my blog for today. Lawyers, Tech Talk Tips for Lawyers. Hope you learned something. Thanks a lot.